In this video, we're going to talk about the ultimate travel wallet. Now, while traveling, credit cards can be used for more than just making purchases, earning points, and having purchase protection. Most credit cards will come with benefits that can turn your vacation into a luxury experience. So in this video, we're going to go over some of the best credit cards that are going to give you the absolute maximum amount of value for travel benefits. Now, the first card that we're going to talk about is going to be the American Express Platinum card. Obviously, we can't make a video on this topic without including the American Express Platinum card. Now, we've made videos on all these cards, so we're not going to go over every single thing, how you earn points, sign-up bonuses, annual fees, all of that. What we're going to do is we're going to talk about just the luxury benefits that you're able to get while traveling. So the first thing is going to be the Global Lounge Collection, including the Centurion Lounge. So with this card, you're going to be able to have access to like 1,400 different lounges, including the Centurion Lounge, American Express's own lounge. You also will have access to the Fine Hotels and Resorts program. And with it, you're going to actually be able to receive extras. They're saying that it's going to be an extra, on average, $550 for every single stay. And it's going to include things like late checkout, early check-in, daily breakfast, and a $100 experience credit for every single stay. You also will receive $200 airline credit. Now this credit is for incidentals, so things like checked bags or for any purchases on the airline. Now you're not going to be able to use this for booking any airline actual tickets, but you do have that extra $200 that, you know, maybe you might not normally get a drink, or maybe you decide to upgrade your drink. You obviously do have this availability with this card. You have a $200 hotel credit booked through American Express Travel. You also would receive global entry or TSA pre-check credit every 5 years, as well as a clear credit, which that credit is actually going to cover your entire membership. You do have a credit for Uber. Now you can use this credit towards Uber for their rideshare or for Uber Eats. Now this credit is going to be $15 a month and then $20 in December. So it's really only going to cover you maybe like a ride from the airport every single month, but it's still a benefit. Now you also do have Marriott and Hilton Gold status. Now I'm mentioning this a little lower down on the list because we actually have a better option with another card down on the list. The next card is the Hilton Honors Aspire card by American Express. So with the Hilton Honors card, you have Diamond status. That's going to be their top tier status just for having this card. So you're going to be able to get things like room upgrades, lounge access, daily breakfast, and so much more. You receive a weekend night reward every single year, plus you can earn an additional night after you spend $60,000 on purchases on this card in a calendar year. Now, a lot of people with this card may not want to spend $60,000 to get that additional night, $60,000 to get one night. Not really that great of a benefit, but if you do end up spending a lot of money on this card, you do get that additional night. You also have a $250 Hilton Resort statement credit. Now that's going to be towards any purchases that you make at a Hilton property. Now this card actually gives you a $250 airline fee credit. It's going to be same as the American Express Platinum card, where it's for incidentals, you know, checked bags, drinks on the flight, booking change fees, things like that. But this one's going to be $250. So between this wallet right now, you're getting $450 on airline credits. You also get another $100 property credit at participating Waldorfs and Conrads. That's going to be Hilton's top tier hotels. So not only are you getting $250 Hilton Resort statement credit, you also get a $100 credit as well at their top hotels. And the last thing that we're going to mention is Priority Pass Select membership. Now, you already do have access with the American Express Platinum card, but this is just another way that you're able to get access into some luxury lounges. Now, the last card that we're going to mention is the AA Advantage Executive card by Citi. And the reason why we're mentioning this card is we do travel with American Airlines. That's our preferred airline. With us being local to Charlotte, that airline is a hub for American Airlines. So typically we can travel anywhere that we want in the United States, and even a lot of international flights over to Europe on American Airlines directly from our airline without having any stops at all. So that's the reason why I'm putting this card on. Now, if you do fly with Delta or if you fly with United, they're gonna have a very similar card, but for us, we're gonna put this card. So to start off, you're gonna be able to get the Admirals Club membership. So this is to have access to American Airlines lounges. And really one of the only ways that you're going to be able to have access to American Airlines lounges is if you're flying internationally first class on American Airlines or with this membership. So seeing that this card is going to give you an Admirals Club membership, that's definitely a really good bonus. You also do get a global entry or TSA pre-check credit, and with this card you're able to get your first check bag free for you and 8 traveling companions. You also do have priority check-in, screening, and boarding for your entire traveling party, again, up to 8 traveling companions. And then you would receive 25% savings on in-flight food with this credit card. So obviously, if you are ordering any food or drinks or anything in flight, you're gonna wanna first use those credits with the Hilton Honors Aspire card and with the American Express Platinum card. And then after that, you're gonna be able to get 25% off all other in-flight food items. Now, obviously, this wallet is really just going over being able to get the maximum amount of benefits. Now, if you're looking to get the maximum amount of points while traveling as well, you may want to add in something else like the American Express Gold card, or if you don't want to go with the American Express card, going with the Chase Sapphire Reserve, it's going to be able to give you a lot of the same benefits as the American Express Platinum card. Tell me down in the comments below what would be in your ultimate travel wallet. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and hit the bell icon for notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.